Here I will use GitHub Copilot Chat to check if my code is safe, simply asking the question if the specific code, the specific method is safe. Keep in mind that it does not replace all the security tools you have in your CI. It's just an assistant. As you can see, I have a risk of SQL injection. But instead of fixing it directly, I want to refactor the code to extract all the SQL statements from the controller and use services instead. So asking Copilot to suggest some refactoring. And as you can see, Copilot suggests two new services, pet and owner, and a modification of the controller. Let's look at the code. So you see the owner service doing some SQL statement call, and the controller itself now has been updated to call these methods. And we see the pet service get pets by name method. And if we look at the code now, the SQL statement on the risk of SQL injection has been fixed.